Dr. Ronald M. Klatz is a modern-day pioneer. He's an inventor with dozens of scientific patents to his credit, overseeing an intellectual portfolio of over 100 medical patents. He's an entrepreneur who has formed numerous successful biomedical corporations. He's a best-selling author with more than 2 million books in print. He's also the man who coined the phrase anti-aging medicine and sparked a medical revolution. In 1992, Dr. Klatz co-founded the A4M, American Academy of Anti-Aging Medicine. It was the first ever non-for-profit medical organization dedicated to the advancement of technologies that detect, prevent, and treat age-related diseases. As president of the A4M since its inception, Dr. Klatz has provided the vision and leadership that has grown the Academy to a membership base of over 20,000 physicians, scientists, and health professionals from more than 90 countries around the globe. In 2006, the A4M co-sponsored 30 international conferences, training over 35,000 healthcare professionals. To date, the A4M has held Category 1, ACCME approved, AMA recognized continuing medical education programs for over 100,000 healthcare professionals, making the Academy clearly the largest organization of its kind in the world. As the president of the A4M, Dr. Klatz works tirelessly to promote anti-aging and regenerative medicine within both the political arena and to the public at large. His influence in Washington is having a profound impact on healthcare policy, and his frequent radio and TV appearances are taking anti-aging mainstream to audiences everywhere. In fact, Businessweek recently profiled Dr. Klatz as the guru of anti-aging medicine. He is universally recognized as the father of the anti-aging revolution, a revolution that will forever change the way that medicine is practiced throughout the world.